ndị be anyị ka ụbọchị nke taa mara na anyị mma. Asị m na ọ ya bala okeke bala oke afọ. Asị m na ọ ya dịrị ndị Igbo niile na mma, na ya dịrị anyị Igbo na mma, na anyị nche ya dị ka echi, na echi ada agwụ agwụ, maka na onye Igbo ka anyị bụ. Ife anyị na-azọ bụ ka o esi dịrị anyị na mma, ọ bụrụ onye ji nke ya. Ma dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo midia ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu nnukwu ozi ya dị oke mkpa gbasịta maka ihe na-eme na be anyị bụ ana Igbo, ana gbasịta maka ntọrọ ọdịda anyanwụ a na-akpọ Eastern Region, ya bụ Igbo midia. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ihe anyị ga-etinyere unu n'iru akwụkwọ gbasịta maka nnwere onwe a na-azọ, ihe Biafran Prime Minister kwuru n'iru akwụkwọ. Mma achọ ka Igbo mụrụ nze mụọ ọzọ, ka ndị Igbo ji biri, jegodi na ya bụ ife, gee na ya bụ ife, unu ga-esi ya, unu atụkpọ alụ, tinye uche nke unu, ife unu chere gbasịta maka ya bụ ife nwanne anyị nwoke bụ Simon Ekpa kwuru n'iru akwụkwọ. Ọ dị na ka o sikwu m n'ọnụ. Over to you, sir.
You see, $10, tap on the mic. Microphone and unmute yourself. $10, tap on the microphone and unmute yourself. $10, tap on the microphone and unmute yourself. You are not ready? Okay, we go to the next person. The next person is Kingsley Ugobe. Kingsley Ugobe, tap on the microphone and unmute yourself and pick the mic. Kingsley Ugobe, tap on the microphone to unmute yourself and speak. Kingsley Ugobe, tap on the microphone on your screen to unmute yourself and speak. You have the mic now.
Okay. Good day, everybody. My Prime Minister, I give you a salute, and the media team, each and every one of you, I give you a salute. I have a suggestion on pertaining on this our, what do they call it, the way this thing that we are about to do now. I would like we to use it to each and every languages in 40 states. Maybe the people on the ground can understand, especially our old women that are in the villages, they can understand it by their languages. These are my suggestions.
Thank you so much. Thank you. That is noted. Like when you hear of the de facto government administrators, they are not from Cavanchan, and they are not from America. They are not from Spain. They are not from Portugal. They are not from Italy. They are not even from Finland. They are from your provinces. They speak the same language you speak in your communities. They speak what you understand, what our grandmothers and grandfathers speak. The language of mother tongue is what they understand there. Before we finally now come to speak the colonial adopted language. So communication is not a problem in that area, and the people involved will do everything to make you proud. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Okay, we go to the next person. We go to Innocent Nwono. Innocent Nwono, unmute yourself and speak. Tap on the microphone on your screen to unmute yourself. Just tap on the microphone and then you can speak. Innocent Nwono. Innocent Nwono, tap on the microphone on your screen, then you can speak. Innocent Nwono, tap on the microphone on your screen, then you can speak. Innocent Nwono, tap on the microphone on your screen, then you can speak. Please, if you have your hands up showing that you want to speak, come close to your device. Don't stay afar off, so that when you are called upon, you will just pick up the mic instanter. Innocent Nwono, tap on the microphone and you can speak. Okay, Innocent is not ready. We go to the next person. Adams Isong. Adams Isong, tap on the microphone and speak. Adams Isong, tap on the microphone. Yes. Adams Isong, tap on the microphone.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, God bless you, the work of your hands and the labor, and grant you more knowledge, wisdom, and understanding. I have been following your work for over years now, and I am very pleased with the achievement so far. And I wonder, with the little that you are getting, how that you have been able to be effective, and the results are greatly showing that so many are crying and wailing. They will cry more, but the attainment of the result, the final result, will be achieved. And God bless you all. In Jesus' name. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. You made a very good point there. With the little that Biafrans have given to the Prime Minister, he has been able to do wonders. So I'm challenging every Biafran and lovers of freedom to hunger our Prime Minister by giving him more. Give him more funds and then go back to sleep. By the time you sleep and wake up, you will see Biafra in your doorsteps. And let us make this very clear, that you see shell pulling out of Nigeria today is for you to come to the acceptance that Britain is leaving Nigeria, because it is that shell that they use to massacre our babies, over 10 million of them during the genocide. So if shell is moving out, it is telling you that Britain is moving out of Nigeria. They did not just move out on their own. It is the tenacity and the firepower of this Prime Minister that has fingered their blockers to the point that they now have to start running out. So call your friends and family and tell them that the Prime Minister of the indigenous people of Biafra has restored Biafra before your very before. Britain have never run out of anywhere. They will stand and then look for allies to destroy you the more. That is what they did when they came and gave power into the hands of Fulanis. Because they are criminals, they had to come and look for their likes. When they saw their likes, they decided to partner to be able to continue the criminalities. They ate them in the jihad, and you continue seeing what is happening today. So if the Prime Minister have cut off their tails, cut off their wings, cut off their heads, and their shoulders and fingers are off now, and they are running out of one Nigeria, clap for yourself, because you have made our children that were massacred for years not to be crying for nothing. Thank you so much. Mwafo Nkasiobi Kenneth. Mwafo Nkasiobi Kenneth, speak the mic, please. Mwafo Nkasiobi Kenneth. Mwafo Nkasiobi Kenneth, speak the mic. Please anchor our PM with more funds so that they can deliver more of good things before the declaration of the restoration of Biafra independence. One for you're not ready? Okay. Tina Beauty, you have the mic. Tina Beauty, you have the mic. Tina Beauty, you have the mic. Tina Beauty, you can speak, please. Tina Beauty, you can speak. You have the mic. Not ready? Okay. We go over to the next person. The next person there in line is Ikenke. Ikenke, God you. Ikenke, God you. Tap on the microphone and speak. Ikenke, God you. Tap on the microphone and speak. Ikenke, God you. Tap on the microphone and speak, please. Ikenke, God you. Tap on the microphone and speak. Okay, one for Nkasiobi Kenneth, you have the mic.
Okay, greetings.
There we go.
Good afternoon, my old Prime Minister. I really like what you are doing. We Biafrans are really appreciating you. I thank you so much. You have given me hope. You have given me hope. I really thank you. After the kidnap of our leader, I think that is gone just like that, but I don't know that we still have hope, and you are our hope. May the Almighty Chukwu bless you. You will live long. You will see Biafra. Please, there is one thing that I'm thinking about. You know, in Biafra land, there are many people that don't have smartphone. They don't have access to the internet. And for them to register, I'm not even sure that they are able to follow what is going on. Only those that have smartphones can be able to see all the updates, the news that is going on. There are many people that don't have access to the smartphone. And it's important because many people are missing a lot. So some of them are still following DOS because they are still listening to Radio Biafra. Because they are not getting any updates. They are like someone that is inside darkness. If there is anything you can do about that thing, those people, I'm pity for them. Because they are not following up. That is why it's hard. Let me just end it here. May the Lord protect you.
Thank you. If I can pick something from what you said, dissemination of information to the ground zero, the interior part. Do what you can. And for those of you that can afford smartphones to your family members, please start preparing about it now. Afford one and send over to the interior so that when it's time for them to do the digital scanning of the registration online through the database system, they can be able to do it. And for those listening to DOS, tell them not to continue to listen to DOS again. It is the Prime Minister that they should listen to. DOS are working for one Nigeria and got nothing to do with them. The government is working on a massive media outlet that will be unveiled in no time. So for the meantime, let what you have continue to be used to be able to reach to the people in your communities. The de facto government also, whose microphone is noisy, please mute yourself. The de facto government also have a purpose to play by reaching out to people in ground zero. So that is why we say, for you that is reachable to mobile phone or smartphones, get connected to your de facto state groups. By so doing, information you get there, you can circulate it to those in ground zero until a wider network is ready and someone inside our grandmother's kitchen will be able to hear everything in no time. You should understand that this very government under this Prime Minister took over everything from scratch. You have just seen his work speak for all of you just within few months, not years, few months, with all that he has achieved. How about if he was opportune to have 5 years before now? There is nothing you will be complaining of. In Biafra land, to be able to create awareness for the Biafran people. So everyone needs to put their hands together and clap for the Prime Minister. Because those that you just called name now, DOS, they've been here for over 20-something years, 12 years. Which part of Biafra land can you tell me that the radio is reachable to? It's only in just some sections. They cannot go to everywhere. And you've not seen any good achievement on ground for all those years. It's just been betrayal.
Minister for Information, for giving me the mic. I want to thank our Prime Minister. Yes. Like for me, like what our sister just said before, to answer some of the questions, like he said they can collect name from Umona. I think that will not be possible because to register to the database is you must take yourself picture. So they are supposed to know this. So they cannot just take people's name and put it there and no. We are not Nigeria, we are Biafra. So don't worry, everybody will be registered. We have enough time. Everybody will be registered. So for me, my experience is that the news that is going on, the news that is going on in Wazoo, Nigeria now, because this morning, after the meeting of Sunday and others, so this morning I called my sister. I've been trying to call for 3 days. The network was not good. So this morning we were able to reach ourselves and talk. So I was explaining to her about the database, telling her everything that she should prepare, that once the link is out, the little one I know that they explained to Europe the other day, I explained to her that they are going to register under D, under group D. So I said, see, once the link is out, I will send it to you. You will start sharing it. I will educate you. I will explain to you how to register so that you will start explaining to others how to register and make sure you allow many people to register. She said she has spoke to people. Now she now tell me, you say get what you want here. I said, wait till you just tell me. He said some people that they talk out, they go say Biafra Liberation Army they are not Christian, that they use juju, that they vanish. Now I say, hey, our army they vanish. So when I hear that, I said, can't you see one zoological Nigeria? They are failed, but they can't admit that they are failed. They are deceiving themselves. They say that they use juju. I said, sister, I know say your husband and pastor now be Christian. If Fulani terrorists come your house today, won't call you. You get that kind magic, that kind of juju when they talk now. When our Liberation Army gets, when we say that they vanish, then you feel vanished. Like those people they kill in Middle Belt recently during Christmas. If they have that kind of juju to vanish, they're not going to use them. You think it's ordinary? Now God gives them. So since one Nigeria cannot admit that they have defeated, they are now spreading another noise that Biafra, they listen to them on Twitter. They are against Christians because they know that we Biafra, we are Christians. So they want to use that one to deceive them now. That those people agitating for Biafra, fighting for Biafra freedom, they are not Christian. They are using juju. They are magic. that the liberation army they vanish. Now say yes, we go they vanish. Even me, if I see that kind of do me will be your sister, I go use am make I vanish, go kill all the whole Nigeria terrorists. So that is the new news that they are spreading around in the Nigeria to go and deceive our Christian Biafra people. So if you hear that kind of news, not believe that and be proud of it. Even though you be pastor, you hear that, tell us say yes. If me I want.
Ndị be anyị daalụ nne nụ ihe a bụkwa Igbo Media anyị si wee na-ewetakwara unu nnukwu ozi a dị oke mkpa dịka anyị si kwuo unu nkwa na dịka anyị si na-agba mbọ ewere ike ị na-enye unu update bụ ihe gbasara maka ife na-eme na ana Igbo be anyị na ndị nwere onwe nke a na-azọ. Ọ ya bụ nkwa ka anyị kwere unu na anyị ga na-emezu ya. Ọzọ dịka ibe ya bụ iwe ọchịa ihe a kịta ị nụrụ n'elu akwụkwọ Biafran Prime Minister kwuru, gwa onwe gị eziokwu n'ụdị nke gị na nchịkọta mmụọ gị ka ghara iwelitela anyị n'ihe ya, maka oke ihe ga na-esi na-emezi. O nwere ebe ekweta na ndị Igbo ya anọ, o nwere ebe anyị sịrị anyị nọrọ. Igbo abụlọ senate president, Igbo abụlọ vice president, nothing. And na ụmụ ihe ndị niile amegasịkwa anụ ụmụnne anyị esokwu na-agba ụwofa mgba maka oke ife ya je megidezie ajụrụzi asị ma ọ gịnị na-emezi ọ dị ka arụ achọziri ime anyị negodin ka obodo si dị ka e mere ji jide nwanne anyị nwoke bụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na mkpọrọ akwa maka ndị Igbo. Gịnị ka ihe ọjọọ mere? Maka ọ sị na Igbo ga-adị, maka ọ sị na anyị ga-adị ka echi na echi ada agwụ agwụ. O nwere ihe ọzọ eji jide ya? Jụọ onwe gị ajụ a, gịnị ka eji jide Maazị Nnamdi Kanu? Ọkwa maka ọ sị na Igbo ya adị. Biko ọtụtụ dị ka iwe chetara ife a bụ Igbo Media anyị na-asụ n'onu be anyị, ọnụnụ be anyị ka anyị na-asụ. So biko ọ bụ na ede anụ Igbo iwe ewena gị, ọnụnụ be anyị ka anyị ji akọwa ihe na-eme ebe a. Ka ego ọkwa na ya anyị na-ekwu bifo unu ekwe n'iwe ka ife onye ndu melụ ọ sị na ya na-eme mgbomgbe ndị Igbo na-abịa ya n'alụ ọ na-ewute ya. Simon Ekpa penie anyị agbaba ya mgba ka e mere obedient movement. Akwụwụrụ okwu Maazị Nnamdi Kanu kwuru before ejide ya, they will never give you that president, that seat. Akwụdoro na ya na Peter Obi winere mana nyere ya. Gịnị ka nsị ya bụ? Mba, Igbo mana na ife maka oke esi na-ekwuzi okwu ọka ife ga na-esi na-emezi. Ọ bụ na ịkpọrọ onwe gị mitin, chụkọ onwe gị ọnụ, jụọ onwe gị ajụ a ka ebe ịkwụ n'obodo a bụ Naijiria. Ajụ nchọkwa onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo na-ege m ntị n'elu akwụkwọ a, jụọ onwe ya na na-ejicha onwe gị ya bụ ife isaa ya ọgwụna ka m n'ọnụ.